1 in 5 young people are neither in employment, education, or training. By 2030, there will be 2 billion young women and men seeking opportunities for a bright future. Statistics won't define us, but they will inspire us to act. Only by enabling the present generation can we hope to progress to a better world, to peaceful and prosperous societies of diversity and unity. SAP and UNICEF are proud to announce their partnership to educate underserved young people across the world, empowering them with the skills they need to thrive, and powering the workforce that can tackle the problems of today and tomorrow. SAP and UNICEF. Innovation starts with all of us.